Hello sir, hello my friends. Thanks for the time given to me. I want to introduce myself. My full name is Katarina Merkis Ichimaro. You can call me Ichi.
My full name is Karina Sepeda. You can call me Lily.
Hi Mr. Brown. Tomorrow. See you. Oh friend, is in your class. He was in my class last semester. I wish I didn't have him.
What? You didn't like Frank? I think he was missed today.
Oh no, not Frank. He always asking questions. Frank always interrupted me and other students. He was never quiet.
Yes, that's right. That's a good student. He's always thinking and he loves English. He loves our
Learning.
story about reading and mistakes. I enjoy helping in class. I wish more students would take note.
Notice, I like students like Marcus. Do you have him in a conversation class this semester?
Yes, but to be honest, Marcus is one of these for me. I can't tell how then Marcus is social, students take anything.
Yes, that's Marcus. Yes, our students should be, they have to be respectful and listen to their teachers. When Marcus has questions, always ask me after class. He doesn't take class time away from other students.
Well, I like students who ask me questions when the questions I think once the class is over, they may forget.
Possible. I always forget myself. I'm late for class. See you.
Ulang, katanya mau salah-salah